In a bold move, Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa has rejected calls to extend his presidency beyond 2028. Addressing ZANU-PF members, Mnangagwa emphasized the importance of adhering to the party's constitution and his commitment to integrity. Despite growing pressure and slogans like 2030 Mnangagwa Vanenge Vachipo, Mnangagwa remains steadfast in his decision to step down after his current term. He urged party members to uphold the principles of honesty and respect for the Constitution. During the ZANU-PF Politburo session on July 24, 2024, Mnangagwa called for a smooth and constitutional transfer of power. He stressed the need for a comprehensive and verifiable party membership database, leveraging information communication technologies to strengthen the party's internal structures. Mnangagwa's message is clear. Leadership isn't about clinging to power, but about respecting the rules and paving the way for future generations. Zimbabwe, take note.